Hey everyone, this is Megan with megplanstravel.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to select your magic bands on your mydisneyexperience.com account. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is just navigate to the sign-in page of the My Disney Experience. If you don't have an account already set up, you can go ahead and do that. And then you're just going to obviously put in your email address and your password. And then it's going to bring you to your plan page. And you're actually going to navigate back up to the top right corner under the My Disney Experience and toggle down to where it says My Magic Bands and Cards. You're going to click on that, and it brings you to this page where your reservation is linked. And it's going to show you all the guests that are in your party. We have this little pop-up here, just say continue. So this is actually for an upcoming trip that I am taking with my kids. So we're just going to select the member of your party and go down. Now remember, the solid colored bands are actually included in the price of your reservation, and these special themed ones do have an additional cost. When you hover over them, they will tell you how much more that they do cost. Now they are discounted from their normal prices that you would pay if you were in the park. So you just select the one you want, and you can see the price right there and hit complete. And then you just go scroll back up to the top. This one's for me. You can see that if I just select a plain solid colored band, it will pop up as $0. You can also change the label that will be printed on the inside of the band, but I just put mine right back as Megan because that's what I want on my band. I am going to go grab one of the new themed bands though, and you can actually filter it by theme. So I went Disney Parks, and then I'm going to grab this really cute Disney snack one, which happens to be some of my favorite snacks. And then I'm just going to do the exact same thing for my daughter. So the magic band availability, the different patterns and the different themes will change from time to time. This is just what's available at the time of my trip, but you never know what you're going to find when you log in there because they're always changing it for different holidays, different events, different movies that are coming out. So it's fun to check them out each trip. So then you hit proceed to checkout. It's going to bring you to this page, and then you're going to fill out all the information below, and then you're going to hit purchase. Once you hit purchase, it's going to bring you to this completion page, and then you will get a follow-up email with your confirmation number, and they send them out with free shipping right to your house a few weeks before your arrival date. So that is all there is to it. Really, really simple and easy process, and as always, I appreciate your support. Have a good day.